Fort and also his coach, Coach Dorian po.
Hello everyone. It is so good to see you again. Okay na. Hello everyone. It is so good to see you again. For those who don't know me yet, my name is Fort. I am 30 years old and I'm an athlete from Special Olympics Pilipinas. Before, I was very shy. I was not always given a chance to speak. Sometimes people did not listen to me. But when I joined Special Olympics Pilipinas, everything changed. Here I was encouraged. Here I was supported. Here I found my voice. Today, I can proudly say, I am a voice, I matter. Special Olympics is a home for people like me. I have autism, and some of my friends have Down syndrome. It is a place where we train, play sports, and have fun. It is a place where everyone is welcome. Because of your donations and support, Special Olympics Pilipinas can reach more people with intellectual disabilities. More people can train, more people can dream, more people can find their voice just like me. I saw you a few weeks ago at your training. Now, look at you. You are ready for your first marathon. Please clap for ourselves. I know this is a big dream. 42 kilometers is not easy. But you worked hard. You practiced. You did not give up. You are already winners because you're standing here today. In Special Olympics, we have an oath, let me win, but if I cannot win, let me be brave in the attempt. This teaches me that trying my best is always enough. Thank you to the TBR Dream Marathon organizers for believing in everyone's potential. And thank you thank you to everyone who support Special Olympic Pilipinas. Because of you, more people like me can grow, shine, and succeed. Good luck on February 15. Be brave, have fun, and I will be cheering for you. Thank you very much.
Alright, once again everyone, let's give a hand to Fort. Thank you so much, Fort. So, I won't make this long. I just like to first introduce myself. I'm Ian Abrantes, and one of the representative of 2026 TBR Ambassador. So,